False lashes can leave you in a sticky situation. Literally, if you find yourself ripping out your own lashes or tugging at leftover goo 2 days later, then allow me to introduce you to the concept of magnetic lashes. What makes magnetic lashes so appealing is that they're reusable. They don't require messy glue, and they're less likely to rip off your natural lashes. Basically, they seem like a cool, low-maintenance version of the original glue-on version. While there are some luxe varieties on the market, around $70, Artel just launched a drugstore version that's a lot more affordable at $11. Instead of 2 magnets, like the first-generation versions, Artel touts that these have anywhere from 3 to 8 smaller, virtually invisible magnets embedded end-to-end so it will lay down seamlessly on the lash line and won't bulge out in the middle. The company launched both full strips as well as accents, which are placed on the outer corners of the eyes. At today's style, we had to give them all a try. How to apply magnetic eyelashes. The brand recommends applying a layer of mascara prior to application. This gives the lashes some grip and also helps natural lashes blend in. Lashes are marked as upper and lower in each package. I don't know exactly what would happen if you mix them up. The thought gives me shivers, so let's assume we'll all delicately and mindfully place them back in their proper home after every use. Good luck not confusing upper lashes from the lower. Caroline Sincara. Let's go bold. I started with the magnetic accents 2, the bolder of the 2 accents. Artel Professional Magnetic Accents #2. Artel Accents 2 Magnetic Lash. It seems simple enough. With the top strip, you line up the outside of the lash with the outer edge of your lash line. Next, you bring the bottom lashes to meet the top. And when they are close enough, click the magnet, snap together, and you're golden. I won't lie. There's definitely a learning curve. That top lash will inevitably fall on the ground. The bottom one won't snap into place. But after a few attempts, I started to get the hang of positioning both. The most satisfying part is hearing it actually click into place. Success! If you do need to realign or start over, just grab the magnets at the base of your lash line and roll your thumb and index finger in opposite directions to unlock them. Then, gently slide them off your lashes. Things seemed to be going well until I looked in the mirror. Yikes, they are a bit too bold for me. The lashes didn't blend well with my own, and I could distinctly see the magnet on the underside of the lash. If I blinked slowly enough, I could feel the cold magnet on my eyeball. It's a feeling that's tough to describe, but certainly not ideal. You can see the magnets from this angle, not a good look. Caroline Sincara. I, for one, was grateful that removal was quick and easy. There's no way I'd be going anywhere with these on. I look insane, and I could feel the cold magnet on my eyeball. Caroline Sincara. Next up, the wispier version, Magnetic Accents 1, looked a bit more natural right out of the box. I felt like this was going in a better direction. Artel Magnetic Lash Accent #1. It was a bit easier to snap them on after the practice session from the first set. The hairs blended more naturally to my lash line, and the final look was a vast improvement. In fact, I'd wear these all day, every day. Now for the full magnetic eyelash strip. Magnet placement is really important for the full strip version. It can go really wrong without the proper reinforcement along the entire length. Artel didn't skimp on the double 110, so I had high hopes for the full strip lashes. Artel Double 110 Lashes. Artel Professional Magnetic Double Strip Lashes, 110 black. Surprise setback. I thought I was a magnetic lash applying pro. But these were actually a huge challenge. I nearly threw them away after my 23rd attempt to line them up and snap them together close enough to my lash line. This was as close as I could make it hug my lash line. I give up on the full lashes. Caroline Sincara. It is possible, but the issue I found is that the falses didn't follow the natural curve of my lash line. Both the inner and outer portion of my lashes went naked, giving it an unflattering, unrealistic finish. Nothing a little lash glue couldn't solve, but doesn't that defeat the purpose? Overview. I truly love this innovation. I would, however, opt for the wispier versions and forego the full strips altogether. It can look really unnatural if it doesn't blend with your natural lashes. I did like how easy they are to remove with just a simple swipe of your fingers. We are going to end this video right away. If you have any query or information to share, please leave a comment. Thanks for watching.